everyone, it's Sega Sonic 52000 here once again, some of the studios, and welcome to the movie Hidden Game Room, and I've got mangas somewhere too, we'll go for that another time. But today we're doing a quick unboxing video for Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog, the complete series. All 65 episodes from Discotek Eastern Star. Grab a chili dog and watch the way past cool classic Sonic series now on standard definition Blu-ray. Way past cool episodes. Juice and jam way past the video game speed barrier with Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog. The Blu-ray foils Dr. Robotnik's zany plots in 65 action-packed episodes. Ever wondered the origins of the deranged and epic scratching grounder, or what it's like when Tails eats so much junk food he looks pregnant? That's so funny. And you want to know what Mama Robotnik is like, right? Find out in this Blu-ray collection, Sonic Says. Way past cool actors, starring the voices of TV sensation Jaleel Wright from Family Matters and Psych as Sonic, and blues singer Long John Baldry, Bucky O'Hare from Bucky O'Hare Reboot as Dr. Robotnik. This series is full of wacky slapstick animation that will split your sides and leave you wanting more. Gotta speed, kid. That's so cool, using a bunch of references from the cartoon. Way past cool features: Sonic Christmas Blast episode, original pitch pilot, episode 1, brushes, commercial bumpers, TV commercials, production art gallery, commentary on 2 select episodes with storyboard artist Milton Knight. This is so cool. It would have been actually cool if they could have gotten the Shout Factory special features too, but that's a lot of cool features that should have been included in those original Shout Factory sets. Alright, let's go ahead and open her up. And oh yeah, I love the artwork. Make it look like Sonic the Hedgehog too. That's so cool. Oh, okay, plastic. Not the kind of plastic you know I like. Oh, never mind it is. There we go, finally got it. So with plastic. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Oh, cool. Okay, that is way past cool. It looks like the Sonic 1 box art. Let's take a look at the back. Back the same. It is not. It is not the same. It's the same words, but with different like TV pictures. Like, you got Sonic eating a chili dog here, Muscular Sonic here, Scratching Grounder here, but on this one you have Sonic with a broken foot from Mass Transit Trouble, Breezy from Lovesick Sonic, and Mama Robotnik from Mama Robotnik's Birthday. I can't think of which ones these are from. I think this is from Super Special Sonic Search and Smash Squad. This one is from Full Tilt Tales, I think. Can't think of what this one's from, unfortunately. But anyways, let's take a look on the inside, see what we got. Oh. So, the discs look cool. Not that shot. He's holding up 1 finger for disc 1. He's holding up 2 fingers for disc 2. And, it's cool. This is a reversible cover, and you can have the same cover for the front. That's on this cover. But I'm not gonna switch it. I ain't gonna switch it because I actually like this one better. Plus, where I've already got the slip cover, that makes sense. Alright. All in all, I love the packaging. That's really good. So, go ahead and put this back on. That's not good. Oh, there we go. Alright. That's Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog, the complete series on Blu-ray. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. I'd personally do a video show of what I think of the quality, but unfortunately, since this Blu-ray technically isn't out for another 12 days, probably not a good idea. So, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget that like button, subscribe for more, and we'll see you again soon for another Tales Blu-ray picks. And Sonic says, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.